Hello and welcome to another episode of our Glamorous channel. And today I'll be talking about Pore Tightening Facepack, or I'll be making Pore Tightening Facepack. This is a DIY face pack and that is very easy to make, but we should all take care of our skin types, and anti-aging properties are very required for our skin because these days the harmful UVA, UVBs and harmful sun rays, and also because of the global warming and because of the excess pollutions around us always, even we stay inside our home, it consists of a lot of pollutions in the air. So for that we all face some problem, skin issues. We all have some skin issues. If you are someone who doesn't have any skin issues, then it is very great for you. You are so lucky person, but I am not so lucky, so I do have a lot of skin issues. With the main issues of skin is open pores, that I do have my open pores, blackheads and whiteheads, that all caused because of aging properties. Blackheads, whiteheads and pores. Pores comes in any skin type, from a baby child to old age man. Everyone has pores in their skin. So the pores works as a sebum production, which is your natural oil inside your skin, which balances and makes your skin moisturizer, supple and smooth in your skin, so you don't have to apply anything on your skin. So whenever it was from ancient time that our skin is made in that process, that it consists of a sebum, which is a natural moisturizer for our skin. We used to use a lot of things on our skin in old ancient days. So even though our skin was so healthy and pulpy on those time, as we have seen to our grannies, to old people, those skins and hairs are so good there, even though they didn't apply a lot of products to their hairs or faces. But nowadays you have to apply a lot of things to your skin, even though you won't sometimes get a good healthy skin even following a good routine, because everyone's skin is a different type, so we have to take care of the type of skin we have. So for me, I have extremely oily and extremely acne prone skin type. In winters I do have little dry and oily T-zones, but in summers I have extremely oily skin. So for that I have to take care of my skin more nicely. I do have sensitive skin types also, so in that cases I have to take care of my skin. I do have open pores on this area of my skin, so which gets clogged with blackheads from the pollutions, whiteheads, and also because of travel in public vehicles, and that is also a reason to get all these pollutions. But nowadays our skin is not so good. The reason is because of the pollution over there, because of the global warming, because of ancient people or old age people. If you see their skin, they have been born and brought up in such areas where there was no such pollutions or pollutants on the air, but nowadays it is all over. Even if you are cooking a little Maggie in your kitchen and you are getting that vapors, your skin may deteriorate from that also. The condition of the air even inside your house is not so good. So for that we have to really take care of our skins. So for that today I'll be talking the main issues of our skin, that is open pores and blackheads and whiteheads. So I have already done DIY scrubs which really works great in blackheads and whiteheads. So if you haven't seen those, the links are given in the description box below, part 1 and part 2. You can also click on the I button over here and see those. Else in this video I'll be talking about anti-aging face pack that really works, and if you have crossed your 18 plus, then you can definitely use this anti-aging face pack. This is the natural face pack that really will work great for you. And furthermore, first ingredient I have taken here in a clean bowl with a spoon. I have taken here some baking soda. As you can see, you will get baking soda in nearby your grocery store. I have taken here approx 2 tablespoons. If you're taking tablespoon, then it will be 2 tablespoons full of baking soda according to my need. The amount, make it fresh for getting the good results. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator but also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, thereby preventing dirt and other particulate matter from clogging them. This is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, and that helps your skin to reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne. So it works great in pimples and acne too, and also in the germs or microbes those causes pimples and acne. It stops further pimples and acne to come into your skin back. And obviously it is a great property for anti-aging because it encourages your pores and also cleans your pores so nicely. So without baking soda, anything that is of anti-aging cannot be made, because yeah, it can be made. There is a lot of things that those has good properties for anti-aging, but particularly if you're making a face pack. Then baking soda, if you have it nearby you, then this is the best ingredient that you can use for your DIY face anti-aging or pore tightening face pack. The next component that I'll be using, and I have talked before in my channel, is Apple Cidar Vinegar. Apple Cidar Vinegar, this is from the brand Nourish Vitals. You can get any brand's Apple Cidar Vinegar, and this is acidity 5%. This is with mother vinegar, raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized, vegan product, and quantity is 250 and the price is 230. So I have already done a video on Apple Cidar Vinegars, and there I have actually talked about how Apple Cidar Vinegar helps us for our skin. I have talked about Apple Cider Vinegar, how you can use 5 ways how I use Apple Cider Vinegar in my day-to-day life and how it has helped me. I have already talked about. So if you're interested to see the video, the link is given at the I button above, and you can also check the description box for all the details about Apple Cider Vinegar. Link you will get, you can check it out how I've used this. So Apple Cider Vinegar helps to balance the pH in your skin, because obviously balancing the pH in the skin also, in one way it reduces the acne and pimples of your skin if you have such skin type. Even if you have oily skin, it also balances the sebum production in your skin, the greasiness of your skin, and also tightens your pores, making it like an anti-aging property. It helps you in keeping a elastic and healthy and useful skin. Not only like using Apple Cider Vinegar with face packs or toners. I have already made Apple Cider toner. If you are interested to see that, the link is given in the description box below. Else if you want to get a lot of benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar, that is also in health benefit. Apple Cider Vinegar helps you to in your weight loss process. So do use you can have Apple Cider Vinegar, but some people are allergic to Apple Cider Vinegar, so for that you must have some patch test before you use this. So for doing patch test, you can take few drops of Apple Cider Vinegar in your hand and you can apply it in your using Apple Cider Vinegar. You can apply it, do a patch test, apply some Apple Cider Vinegar on this area and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. If no irritation occurs, then you can, Apple Cider Vinegar has some tinklish feelings and a little tinklish effect you can feel, but not that. If you see after washing away after 5 to 10 minutes you see any allergies or redness occurs, then do not use this. If you don't see anything like that, then do use. You can also use lemon or lime juice in place of Apple Cider Vinegar, but better than those, I feel Apple Cider Vinegar works better. Many researchers has told so. So after applying Apple Cider Vinegar, you can see baking soda has so nicely melted with those. The smell of Apple Cider Vinegar is not always accepted by people, so if you're allergic to any of those, then do not use this. Next, I'll be applying using here another very important component, that is Multani Mitti, which actually helps in very common, but we forget the uses of Multani Mitti. That is, it actually helps to bind and keep the elasticity of your skin and make your skin look younger. And so obviously everyone wants a younger skin, just baby soft skin. So Multani Mitti helps in keeping the elasticity of your skin and also helps in cleaning your pores. So before tightening your pores, you must clean your pores, because if your pores are not cleaned well, then it will cause pimples and acne on a long run. So my paste is ready. As you can see, the paste has become so nice. So you can use water also if you feel that Apple Cider Vinegar is not working perfect for you. So use water and lime in place of this, but baking soda and Multani Mitti are some material that you should use for this. Else I am taking here vitamin E capsule, and you will be getting vitamin E capsule is nothing but antioxidant. Vitamin E is the natural antioxidant. So you will get this nearby to your any chemist shop. So you can get it. It will cost one capsule around 1 rupees or 2 rupees. So you can get it. It is very good component. So vitamin E actually is always any product, if you're eating on like if you wanted to get the benefits of vitamin E, you can eat this also. Or else if you want vitamin E from natural ingredients, that also I have done many videos on those, then you can see the link below. So vitamin E, like antioxidant, you can get from many good products that we have talked about. I have done DIY scrubs by antioxidant. Like in oats, you are getting the most of vitamin E or antioxidant component. Have oats, those actually has a lot of vitamin E. So oats actually helps you in giving a good brighten, and it also have brightening property. With that, it also have very much good property about your anti-aging. Now you can see I have just cut off and pressed off all the liquid inside. So then mix it well. If you are making any DIY anti-aging face packs, then do use vitamin E. If you are using marketed anti-aging face pack, then they already contains vitamin E, which is a main component for anti-aging and
pore tightening. But if you are DIYing it, then do use vitamin E capsule. That will give you more benefit in a long run. And this face pack, as it is natural, you can use every weekend or every week once you can at least use, but not more than that. And if you are someone who is above 30 plus, then you can definitely use this every week, twice a week. So baking soda and apple cider vinegar both are very acidic in nature, so in that case using more than a week for people below like 25, that it will make or damage their skin cells also. So for that you should use very less. Like I do use it in once in every 15 days because I am 20 plus, so I have to take care of my skin. I use once in 15 days, like once in 2 weeks. That is also a good use. So now I'll be applying this on my face and show you guys.
Nicely applying this face pack, clean your face nicely with a gentle face wash, and I have cleaned my face just now with a face wash and washed it off. And now I'll be applying this face pack. You can also make this face pack with lemon water or lime juice and apply it gently like any other face packs. And obviously do care about that do not apply this near the eyes because there are many acidic components, so do not apply this near the eyes. And if anyone is thinking I am applying with this cute spoon, this is a Amul spoon. Like here it is Amul. This is a spoon from the Amul ice cream. So I love reusing things, so I am reusing this. So what happens, it is very easy to apply the face pack with this spoon, so I really like because it is a straight cut, so it is flattened and it is very easy and gentle to apply. Like I don't have to buy a brush, and I do not have a face pack brush, and I'm looking forward to buy it, but I don't have right now. So it really works whenever I don't feel my fingers to dip in this face pack. So it really works nice. So this is another DIY which you can also try. If you felt that it works nice, then you can also use this way to apply your face packs. Or any other ice cream spoons, like the wooden ice cream spoon that comes, you can also use that too. That is also having flattened surface. That will be very easy and like very easy and handy for you to apply your face masks or face packs. So recently I have shared my morning skincare routine, and also with that morning skincare I have also shared in that same video my daily makeup routine, hair care routine and body care routine. So if you are interested to see any of those, then the link is given. You can see the way I take care of my skin in the morning daily and what I do for daily college makeup purpose. Even looking forward that I have to take care of my skin, I've shared the routine, so you can see the link is given in the I button. If you don't get it there, obviously all the links will be given in the description box below. Do check the description box. Here I have also talked about apple cider vinegar's uses, top uses of apple cider vinegar, top 5 uses most probably, and have also talked about Multani Mitti. I have done DIY Multani Mitti face packs a lot, so you can check those out to Multani Mitti face packs. I have made a lot of different Multani Mitti face pack for tans. I have made cucumber face pack, so you can see those DIY face packs if you're interested in DIY face pack and don't want to waste money in ready-made face pack. Because actually I feel personally DIY face pack works more better than ready-made face pack on my skin. But what happens, because of less time we tend to buy more ready-made face pack than making this is time consuming, so we don't use. So keep this for next 20 minutes. Yeah, it will take time. So after that, after I try it out, I'll show you. So as you can see, all the Multani Mitti has dried off nicely. Somewhere left that time, and I applied that Multani Mitti and baking soda face pack on my neck too, and mostly all are dried. As you can see, some are wet still, but my skin is tightened too much, so too much extraction and too much dryness will not work good. So I am going to wash it off right now and show you. You can see I have washed off face and all those with the normal tap water, and as you can see, it has cleaned out so nicely. Hope the camera is catching it well. It has removed a lot of blackheads and whiteheads too, and also reduced the size of the pimples I had some of. Also has brightened the skin tone a little, and obviously I am feeling the deep cleansing has occurred and the pores are quite invisible and they have shrinkaged. So this face pack really works, and I tried myself. So do use this if you have open pores or blackhead issues, then you will definitely see some benefits, not from the first use, or else if you have a lot of blackheads and open pores, then even not for the first use, but at least use twice to thrice, give it a try. It really works, because I don't go on claims and I go on really using myself and reviewing. So if you like this video was a little helpful for you, then please hit on the like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Like the video, if you did, then please hit on the like button. Your like encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends, let them also know about this. Do subscribe to our channel. Do comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any of the video contents. Do click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get all the notifications from our channel. Also click on the all notification button on the bell icon, so you will not miss any notifications from our channel. So that was all for today's video. See you soon in the next video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.